Welcome, guys. So we have a question here that we are supposed to do. We'll actually do these two questions, this one as well as this one. So we can start with A. Evaluate the cube root of 64 minus 5 raised to the power 0. So what is the cube root of 64? What number do we multiply by itself 3 times in order to get 64? That is what we mean by the cube root. So you will discover that that number is 4. When you multiply 4 by itself 3 times, it is going to give you 64. Then 5 raised to the power 0, what does it give us? It is going to give us 1, right? It is going to give us 1. This is going to be 1 here, all right? It's going to be 1. So it's like we have 4 minus 1. What are we going to end up with as our answer? The answer is going to be 3, not negative 3, but positive 3. I hope that is very clear. Then we have the second one here. Solve the equation. Here is the equation. Here is the equation. So such equations, these are equations that are associated with indices or initial equations. So what we are supposed to do, there are rules here. What we are supposed to do is to generate the common base. Then when we have the common base, we can now equate the indices. So what are we supposed to do? So we are supposed to rewrite this 8 so that the base becomes what? Becomes 2 as the other side. So when we rewrite it, it's going to be 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is the same as 8. 2 to the power 3 is the same as 8. I'll write this like this and then keep the power or the index as it is. And this is equals to 2. By the way, this 2 here is just the same as 2 raised to the power 1. All right? Now, the power rule of indices goes to say that this 3, we have to multiply it by this. All right? We multiply 3 by everything there. So what am I talking about? So we are going to have 2 to the power 3 here. And this 3, you multiply it by what we have here. All right? This is equals to 2 to the power 1. So this will end up as 2 and 6x plus 3 is equals to 2 to the power 1. Then at this point now, we have the same base like I was telling you. When the base is the same, we equate the indices. So we are going to have 6x plus 3 is equals to 1. 6x plus 3 is equals to 1. Then we solve this as an equation, the linear equation, which will be 6x is equals to 1 minus 3. So 6x is equals to minus 2. Then x is equals to minus 2 over 6, which will be simplified as minus 1 over 3. This is what we're going to end up with as our final answer. Please, you can give me a comment if there's anything that went wrong as I was solving. Otherwise, we appreciate so much that you follow our videos or you watch our videos. Please continue doing so. Invite other people to join and subscribe.